No separators, guaranteed fit, and a vastly improved patient experience. Hi, I'm Chris of Axiom Orthodontic Studios. I just thought I would take a moment to introduce you to myself and custom fitted bands. Here you can see examples of the bands and the high racks made from the bands. As I mentioned, there's no separators necessary because the bands are made directly from your scans. They're made to fit the tooth. So there's no sizing of the bands. You don't have to worry about that. And I've heard the nightmares of trying to fit the bands and then trying to fit the appliance on oddly angled teeth. With this, one doctor said that it just fit like a glove. It just snapped right into place. That's because the bands are made around the tooth and they're not subgingival or interproximal. Now, there is some concern among doctors that because the band is not wrapped around the tooth, that the appliance will fall out. That's where this comes in, the bonding protocol. It's different than what you're used to, but this one has been developed for me by a doctor who has been using it for over 3 years with no problems whatsoever. So you just don't have to worry about that. It's a vastly improved patient experience, it's a vastly improved staff experience, and it really makes your practice more efficient. But why me? Why Axiom Orthodontic Studios, excuse me. Well, I have over 35 years experience at this. I've been doing it for a long time. I was one of the first small labs, if not the first small lab in the country, that provided 100% digital workflow. Then after I learned everything, I went out and helped my doctors make the transition as well. Then, because I had so much time on my hands, I went out and formed a national association to help other labs do the same. In 2020, the JDT, the Journal of Dental Technology, named me their educator in their Who's Hot list. It's just what I do. I work with and learn from some of the best technicians in the world. I have the honor of calling Socrates Gandidis of Gandidis Labs in Athens, Greece, a friend and a mentor. If you haven't checked him out on Facebook, check him out. He's doing some amazing stuff. And then if you're lucky, like I was, to be invited over to see his lab, go. Spend a day in his lab and then go check out his place on the island of Milos. Everything you have heard about the Greek islands, it's all true. But my expertise and my 35 years experience are at your service. I just want to help your practice be more efficient and improve the patient experience. That's what I'm all about. Thanks for your time. You can write to me or call me and we can set up a time where I can stop by, bring samples by, and answer any questions or concerns that you might have. Thanks a lot.